Blutbart.
Hello and welcome back to another behind the scenes toy photography video. Today I'm going to show you how to enhance an image with Photoshop. I call this shot Jedi Training. My featured toys are Hologram Darth Vader, R2-D2, Chopper, Hera Syndulla, Mothma, Princess Leia, C-3PO, and Luke Skywalker. I began my setup by placing my black acrylic floor surface and positioning a softbox above it pointing directly downwards. The plastic floor is chronically dusty, but I wasn't planning for much of the floor to be visible. I just wanted it for the light absorption. For my background, I borrowed the isolation stand from my microphone setup. I thought it looked like the kind of walls you might see in a futuristic VR room. After placing my subjects in the middle of the shot, I walled them off with this 3D printed window. This was modeled by LandSpeeder Luke, who you should definitely check out here on YouTube. To complete the scene, I added an audience made up of various rebel leaders and VIPs. I also snuck a small cube light underneath Vader to enhance the hologram effect. The last light I needed was an LED panel that I positioned on the left here to simulate Luke's lightsaber glow. For the final touch, I used some cardboard and coroplast to block off the light for my little viewing area. Here's my main image. I actually took 3 exposures altogether, and I began my edit by combining them with layer masks. The green light was really flooding the left side of the image, so I brushed most of that out to localize the lightsaber glow. I long for the day that these figures come with lightsabers that actually light up, because it will save me so much time and effort. I also used the pen tool to cut out the Vader hologram so that I could add effects to it separately from the background. Making these holograms is always a process of trial and error. In this case, I had 4 separate copies of the layer that I applied varying amounts of textures, blur, and blending modes to. After that, I added some adjustment layers to change the light levels and color balance, before doing a few last-minute nitpicky touch-ups. I was so focused on my touch-ups that I almost forgot to add the lightsaber glow, but I remembered just in time. So once again, here's my starting image. And here's where I ended up. Thank you so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please consider liking and subscribing, and maybe check me out on Instagram. Thanks, and until next time!